Last week I had no idea what Warhammer Quest was. I knew of Hero Quest, but never played it, even though I have used its dungeon tiles for an RPG's game Errant did with me and Sleeping Bears players, where we used the Mordheim rules for fighting. But Warhammer Quest was just one of those releases for Age of Sigmar that postponed releases relevant to me. Now we know the next Warhammer Quest will be for 40k, and that it has to do with a rogue trader and a Blackstone Fortress, which I too had to look up because I'm just too green to remember. But it sounds sweet, and it's right up our alley. Cooperative and narrative with a few awesome models and a storyteller. Right now I play in 6 RPG campaigns, and half of them are set in the world of Warhammer 40k. Even our regular 40k gaming has a narrative element. But before I go spend £95 on yet another game, I have some concerns. Is one story worth this amount of money? I'm guessing the replayability isn't great, or that is at least what I've read about Silver Terror like 20 minutes ago. And as you might have guessed, we rarely play pre-written scenarios. Errant, Lasfas, Sleeping Bear, Dalgo and Timbo can all make do without it. I've no idea how they do it, but they are truly awesome game masters. My second concern is, well, you guys, our lovely viewers. Is a Warhammer Quest campaign worth watching, and how to record it to make it the most enjoyable? It's not for everyone, of course, but I hope you all know by now. 40k is our baseline. Yes, we play other games, Shadow War, Armageddon, Shadespire and now Kill Team, but we will always return to 40k. So if Warhammer Quest isn't your thing, no need to worry. But I have a feeling I'm not the only one curious about this release, and maybe some of you would find it interesting or, well, even entertaining. But, and this is my third and final concern, how to avoid spoilers. Would it ruin the game for you to see us play it? Inputs are more than welcome. If you have any experience with other editions of Warhammer Quest, is it a one-time thing, or can you play it more than once? Would it be fun playing it if you knew the story beforehand? And whether you have tried it or not, would you like to see us play it? Please let us know below. This has been Mother Nurgle. Have a nice day.